Hello and welcome to the Source of Concept tutorial. In our today's tutorial, we are going to discuss on how we can put an icon at the beginning of your edit text that is going to look like this. Okay, to do this, let me delete this hello here and select your edit text. We call it a plain text. Drag and drop here, put your constraint here to attach to the parent to prevent it to jump to the top left corner when your application starts. After that, I prefer to use XML file to design this kind of interface. Let me give it a width of 300 dp. Let me give it a hint instead of text into your information. Now I can put my icon at the beginning of this edit text. To do so, maximize your resource, right click on drawable, go to new and select image asset. After that, change icon type to action bar and icon tabs. Click on clip art and select the kind of your icon that you want to place at the beginning of your edit text. For example, I want to put a person icon at the beginning. Select by clicking OK. You may give it a name that you need, maybe person. After that, click next and final, click finish. After importing your icon here, now go to the XML file here and type drawable left. Find your icon here, person. You may give it a padding by typing a drawable padding to give a space between the icon and your hint. Let me give it a 20 pixel. Yep. And it will be look like this. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you again and goodbye.